What's going on, everyone? My name is Javier Medina, and if you're watching this video, you probably want to learn how is it that I make over $5,000 on the weekly basis, and I literally just work from home on my smartphone 99% of the time. I work pretty much on social media. I post and I share videos on social media, and the company that I work for pays me for doing that. Now, the only requirements you have to work for this company is you have to be 18 years of age or older, you have to live in the United States or Canada, and you can start making some extra cash as soon as today. And the company that I work for is actually extremely legit. They've been around for 49 years. They have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. And you know, for everyone who's gonna be saying that this is a scam, that it's fraud, that it's a pyramid scheme, or that it can't be real, you know, you can't go based on opinions, guys. You have to be at least smart enough to read the facts, to find out what it is instead of just making an opinion about it. You see, just a few years ago, I was making literally $200 a week. I was working as a cook in McDonald's. I was making $7.25 an hour. I was living in my mom's basement. I was not in the best position in my life, and I was able to turn my life around. You know, I'm pretty sure you've probably seen a lot of videos from me already, or if you have not seen videos from me, I want to just introduce you to who I am and where I come from, okay? So, I was raised by a single mother. We were always broke. We were always struggling to keep the bills paid, to keep the rent paid. So when I was about to turn 18, I decided I was gonna end that cycle. I was tired of seeing my whole family struggle for years and years. All my aunts, uncles, every single person in my family was struggling, and I came to think about it. Hey, they were all doing the same thing. They were all working at a 9 to 5. They were all trying to go to college to get a better life, but yet they were just going to college to get themselves in debt just to get a job to pay for that debt. So when I was thinking back and looking at it, it just wasn't making any sense for me. So I decided to do something different, and I got different results. You know, just last year in 2017, I made over $360,000 for the year. I'm only 21 years old, guys. I live in $1 million homes. I drive cars that used to cost as much as my old house. So, you know, I've really came up, and I want to share this opportunity with you guys because, you know, if I was able to change my life with it, I'm pretty sure you're able to see some results as well. Because in the end, we're all the same. I have no special ability. I have 24 hours in a day just like you do. We're the exact same. So if you're actually willing to learn, you're actually willing to put in the work, I assure you that you're gonna see some results. And I really wanna show you guys what is it that I'm doing to make this kind of cash and how you can get started as soon as today and make anywhere from $500 to $1,000 your first week. And you know, start getting some extra cash coming in. Save up for your dream house, save up for your dream car, save up for your kids' future, whatever you want to put money away for them, you know, so you can have money for them and they can be stable for when they grow up. You know, whatever it may be, whatever your goals may be, start executing your goals as soon as today and just get started. Find out what this company is, find out what this company that I work for does, how it works, how they pay. You know, it's super easy. You don't need no college degree, you don't need a high school degree. I mean, I didn't even graduate high school, guys. I know it's crazy, but I just didn't. You don't need any experience. You don't need none of that, because upon you getting started, I'm actually gonna provide you step-by-step training that's gonna guide you on how to get everything set up, how to get started, and how to get your first paycheck the very first week you get started. So no experience needed at all whatsoever. So if you're interested in getting started or maybe learning more about what this is and how it works, I simply need you to go ahead and click the link on the description here, okay? Click the link. There's gonna be a link on the description. It will take you to my website where you can get more information about how this works, how I got started. You'll be able to see a lot of testimonials from people who have also gotten started and seen almost immediate results, life-changing results. And I hope that you get started, because you know, this is your year. It's your year to shine. It's your year to do something different, to get different results, right? So guys, click the link on the description and find out how this works. If you're new to my YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe, drop a like on this video, and we'll be talking soon.